gentlemen, today I have a new recipe to show you guys that we call how to make soup like this. Everyone, this is some ingredient and vegetable of this food. So I'm going to tell you clear and tell you step by step when I start to cook. So now start to cook with me. Add water. We add soup salt, lemongrass, red garlic, caster lamb, galanga, carrot, our clam, chili. Then we continue to cook until it's nearly to be cooked, and then we add some ingredient and some vegetable on it. So now we continue to cook. So now we add some ingredient, a little bit salt, add some cheese, a little fish sauce, our mushroom, we don't forget satay because of it is especially ingredient of our soup. Add hot dog. For the last, our cabbage. Oh, wow, our soup look like so yummy. It's multi, everyone. It's multi ingredient. Wow. The best day. Wow. Wow, it's really yummy and yummy. Wow, everyone can try it by follow my video from the start until the end. It's just a simple ingredient, but we get a yummy soup like this to eat. Wow, the best day. clam. The best is really yummy. Now I think it is time to say goodbye everyone, but don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about amazing food like this and also the yummy food like this to show you guys for the next and for other videos. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye.